This is a video demonstration for the Manncorp Wave exit. Take a walk around here real quick. The unit appears to be pretty much like new. Here's your speed control. As you can see here, the belt's in phenomenal condition. Over here are adjustments to make sure the belt tracks straight, which it is. Currently we have it set at a 43-inch input and approximately a 36-inch output. And we'll throw a board on there real quick for you to take a look at.
Speed control is working. We'll slow it down. It's probably about where it would be running out of the wave right there, I'm guessing. And we can max it out. And that's right in the middle.
Okay, that's our demonstration. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.